So this video will give you an idea about what the Safe Exam browser looks like to students. When we're running tests in the lab, we make sure that we lock down all the internet browsers so that the students can't get into Moodle over the internet browsers. They need to use the links that we give them through the Safe Exam browser, SEB. So let's have a look at what it looks like. They click on the link, they then need to log into Moodle. Once they've logged in, what they'll see is the attempt quiz now. So I've got continue the last preview because I'm an instructor and I've previewed this. And then when they open the quiz, we give them 40 minutes to do it. So it has a countdown timer here. I started this one about 17 minutes ago. Now, while they're doing the in-class test, they don't get constructive feedback about how they've gone, but they can check if their answers are correct. So when they've entered their answer, they can press check and it will update their mark here. So I've now got 0.11 out of 1. Now, since there's 3 parts in this question, each of the parts is out of 0.33. So one of these numbers that I entered was correct. So I can use that as feedback to realize that I need to change a couple of these answers. And I've now answered those correctly. With the penalty, I end up with 0.22 out of 0.33 for this question. So in our class tests, the students have 40 minutes to do 4 questions. The questions are categorized based on their difficulty, which we've calculated off previous students' performance on these said questions. Now, if during the quiz the student decides that they want to go look at their class notes to check how to do a question and they click on the link, you can see we get a little red note up in the top right hand corner telling the students that they're not allowed to click on those links and Moodle doesn't take them there. Once the student has answered as many questions as they can finish the attempt. It lets them know which ones they've completed. If they just wait until the 40 minutes is up, which most of them keep trying for the entire 40 minutes, then it submits automatically. But once they've submitted, they're able to see the feedback, constructive feedback, for all the questions that they actually attempted. If they didn't attempt a question, then they don't get told how to do it, but they do get what the correct answer is. So the students can then check at home which questions they got right, which ones they got wrong, and learn from their mistakes before the final exam.